Welcome to my channel, Divine Fro. Today we'll be talking about bananas. Yes, bananas are much more than an excellent source for potassium. From the fruit extracted cold pressed oil, it serves numerous uses. The oil is so versatile and can be used for various purposes, including to compose the formula of moisturizers, creams, lotion, and mask for skin and hair care. Of course, there are a lot more you can do with banana oil, but for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on the top beauty benefits. The use of banana oil is favored for individuals wanting to naturally treat premature aging, wrinkles, blemishes, scars, dandruff, hair loss, dry skin inflammation, eczema, psoriasis, strengthen teeth enamel, and also increase a weak immune system. There are 9 benefits you can take advantage of with the use of banana oil for your overall beauty care and health. These top benefits are: prevents dandruff, moisturizer for dry hair care, a couple examples are hair breakage and hair loss, controls the balances in oily skin and hair, moisturize dry skin, anti-aging property, removes scars and blemishes, recovers hard enamel, and boosts immune system. Banana oil is an effective anti-dandruff remedy that keeps you dandruff-free. It reduces the oiliness of the scalp and also maintains control over its dryness. In other words, it keeps your scalp healthy and free of problems like acne, scalp psoriasis, and dandruff. For people struggling with dandruff, massaging a bit of banana oil into the scalp can invigorate the skin, promoting healthy growth of new cells. The banana oil, it offers deep conditioning for dry and opaque hair, restoring the normal pH level of the scalp. A pH balance between 4.5 and 5.5. When your hair easily breaks, snaps, or falls out, you need an effective treatment to boost the strength of your hair strands. Banana oil may eliminate split ends and tame frizzy hair, while directly infusing the strands with important nutrients to cut down on hair loss. If you have oily skin, you have likely been suffering from acne and pimples for years. It's unfortunate how it lessens your confidence and self-esteem. Similarly, with oily hair, banana oil can counter both of these unpleasant situations by optimizing oil levels and clearing out any infections or blockage that may be causing excessive oil production. Get your confidence back and throw out the pills and grab yourself a quality made cold pressed banana oil to treat and fight off the insecurity. Our skin is the biggest organ in our body. It's always exposed to the environment more than any other part of our body, and therefore takes the brunt of the beating. This can dry out the skin, leaving it cracked, irritated, or prone to infection. It also affects the appearance and feel of the skin. Regularly applying banana oil to these affected areas can smooth the skin and protect against the environmental damage, including low levels of radiation from the sun. Banana oil is a surprising anti-aging therapy against premature skin aging. This ensures that the skin becomes younger, radiant, and supple. The natural oil is able to stimulate the formation of collagen and boost skin elasticity, which can minimize the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Applying banana oil on the skin will increase blood flow, helping to stimulate the healing of scars and blemishes and giving your skin a smooth and youthful glow. Banana oil is able to recover hardened enamels, being a better, more natural, and cheaper alternative than products made specifically for that. Banana is super rich in vitamin C and other antioxidant compounds. Banana can provide a major boost to the immune system. Its antioxidant compounds protect the skin from airborne pathogens and infections. When absorbed through the skin, it can help your internal systems defend against infection of bacteria and viruses as well. If you made it this far into the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I appreciate you so much. Be sure to share this video to your friends, family, and caring strangers. I'll see you next time. Peace.